how to make kids read. This was also in
Okay.
my mind.
Thanks, Vaibhav, for asking this question. I assume you have a son or a daughter. I'm going to give a very uncomfortable answer. Sorry for that. Kids do what we do, not what we say. If your kid is on the mobile most of the time, it means probably you are on the mobile most of the time. If he is watching TV most of the time, that means you are watching. Preaching doesn't work. Practice. Be the change you
Okay.
wish to see in others. Others, matlab, forget the word, your own child. I'm not talking about Gandhiji or changing the world. Yeah. So what you have to do is on the dining table, you share one big idea that you read or learn from Atomic Habits, for example, by James Clear, regardless of whether he understands it or not. The point is not to explain the concept. The point is the way we passionately talk about pizzas and burgers. Or it's amazing. Our non-verbal communication speaks louder than our words. You know this. 70% of communication is non-verbal. You know, my eyes are now the way I'm talking. I'm moving so much right now. That is impacting you more than what I'm speaking right now. So how I'm talking is more important than what I'm talking. So that amount of passion you have to put in when you share that one big idea from that book that you have learned. Don't tell him to read books. Tell him what you read from a book. All right. That will help. I never told my friends around me to read. They all are reading because they saw the change in me. People get inspired by our actions, not by our words. Right. And
Very
hence
true.
Gandhiji said that my life is my message. Initially, I thought it's a very arrogant statement. And then I realized, no, it's so true. उन्होंने जो किया है, that itself is the message.